guys, ito na kami ni Luis. Tinan nyo si Luis kasi ang aga-aga nagso-soft drinks. Titingin tayo sa garden today. Titingnan natin yung mga ampalaya. Baka meron tayong babalutin. Kamusta naman guys, nakaligo na kami guys. So early pa, no? Ayan, ayan o, tingnan nyo yan o. Ampalaya na tayo guys, na babalutin.
Tao po.
Okay, it's ready na natin. Ating gagawin. Yan, dyan lang kayo. And then, just stay there and watch. We have here the pambalot. We have the pambalot here and then the scotch tape. Ba? Ito natin ilagay na ko. Ito na lang tayo. Mag-stand.
Oh, ito na.
May dala tayong pambalot and then the scotch tape. Ay, huwag ka magtapon dyan. Sa trash mo itapon sa bahay. Ito may lagay ng trash. Please, nakita kami na sa video oh. Sabihin nila, uy, bad si Lois. Hindi niya na love ang Mother Earth. Sabihin nila.
Yum, yum.
You don't love Mother Earth. Sabihin.
Please, no. Not me.
Love you too. Kaya kanya. Thank you anak for helping me.
I'll pick it too. Pick kita.
Thank you. Come on. Ay, no. Not that. Later pa. Wala pa tayong ano. Hello! Mag-hello ka muna sa kanila. Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon ni Luis sa garden. Mag-check ng mga bunga ng ampalaya. Oh, meron. Hindi ito malaki. Oh, meron kami mababalot guys. Ang galing din natin yung hindi nalalaki. Jacket ako. Hindi pala mainit. Mainit sa pakiramdam. Then we will remove this one. Later na natin susuot. Diba yun? Huwag ka maglaro anak. Yung anak ko guys, tignan nyo. Oh, yan ang ginagawa niya dito. Maglalaro, nakikigulo. Tignan nyo guys, magpapakita ko sa inyo ang ating ampalaya. Tignan nyo. Laki na ano. O diba, sabi ko sa inyo pag binalot niyan siya, lumalaki yan sila ng maganda. Kasi maganda ako. Charis. Yung po na-inspired yan sila guys. Stop shouting. Stop talking to me. I'm making a vlog. Do you using scissors? Give it to me. I'll cut it. Oh my god. Baka bumigay siya guys. And this one is the other one here. The other one is here.
This one?
Yan.
The scissors is.
Scissor it daw ko no guys. Anak kong ano So mainit kaya guys no. But it's okay. Kasi naman ba kaligo lang naman namin tapos maghanap tayo ng iba pang ampalaya here. May nakita kasi ako ito guys, tingnan nyo yun guys.
Ito guys.
Meron siya, babalutin natin. Give me one please. Can you give me one?
Look guys, look. Scissors ito.
Guys, do not touch guys. Guys, look daw, sabi niya guys. So look daw guys. You show them. What is that? It's ampalaya.
Paella. It's small. It's a baby.
Okay. Are you a farmer ba?
Yes.
They're
Don't eat
asking.
it because it's not big pa.
What?
It's not big pa.
It's not big pa. Kaya don't touch it because it's still baby. Give me one plastic. Give me that one.
Okay. I'll just open this.
Why did you close the safe?
Because I need to open.
I will use plastic here so that it will grow big. It will become mommy. Yeah, siyempre magiging mommy siya para magkaroon tayo ng plants. Puro kaway. Give me one, please. What is this? It will grow ba? It will grow ba ito?
Here.
Thank you so much. Where's the scotch tape? I will use the scotch tape too. Over there. Can you give it to me, please?
Here, Nay.
Thank you so much, sweetheart. You're the best. Oh my. So, ang pinakamadali sa akin, guys, na ano, yung pinakagusto kong ano, scotch tape ang ginagamit kasi nadadalian ako sa tali. Tali kasi dati yung ginagawa ko dito, tali. Kaso nga lang, na ano ko, mas madali ko for me.
Yes, matali mo.
Itong tali. Oh, can you hold? Hold mo muna yung scotch tape. Yung scotch tape yung hold mo. Thank you so much. Sweetie.
Ibigay mo din ako, Nay.
Later. I will ano this one muna. Balot ko muna siya, okay? Tapos bubutasan natin siya sa baba, guys. And then, para makasingaw siya. Bubutasan siya sa ilalim. Tapos yun lang. And then, yun.
Nay, tigay mo tawag kaya.
Mag-hi ka muna sa kanila, little farmer.
Hello, hi.
Where are you?
Oh, hi.
Tinatanong kanila, where are you daw?
I'm gonna sabi tawag.
Huh? That is your name. O sige, what is your name na lang daw?
Kendall sabi tawag.
Where do you live?
Pangkitiris ko alam.
How old are you?
3 old.
What is your mother's name? Oh, you don't know me.
20. Square around.
Ah, siguro na Aurora doon yung name ko, guys. Hindi ako kilala. Lang, bye.
What?